Hello audience, today I'm gonna show you how to get voice chat in Roblox step by step. Let's start, follow my all step. At first, open your Roblox. Now click on three dot icon. Now click settings. Now click on privacy and content restrictions. Now click on communications. Now click voice chat. Now click enable microphone. Now click on enable. Save successful. By doing process you can successfully get voice chat in Roblox. Thank you for my watching. Now subscribe my YouTube channel.